Yo guys, what is up? We'll be solving Leetcode number 125, find numbers with even number of digits. Given an array nums of integers, return how many of them contain an even number of digits. In this example over here, we can see the output is 2. The reason for that is because 12 contains 2 digits, which is an even number of digits. And the rest of these contain odd number of digits. So to solve this, what we can simply do is, first of all, set a count variable, and this will keep track of our even digits. And we can loop over nums in a for loop. Then what we can do is we can check the length, and we can convert I to a string mod 2 equals 0. And this will basically check if the digits are even or not. So if it is even, then we want count, say increment by 1. And then at the end we want to return count. So now let's code it up. Okay, so now we can create the count variable, and then the for loop for I in nums if len string I. Here we convert I to a string mod 2 equals 0. So if it's equal to 0, then it means it's even. So we increment count by 1, and then at the end we simply return count. So if we run this now, as you can see, our test cases have passed. And now if we submit, boom, as you can see, 44 milliseconds, and it beats 92.54%. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, then please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.